What's up, guys? We back with another one. We got an OBS all the way from Grants, New Mexico. Drove it down here to Rob's Customs. Gonna get a used old school Webasto. This one has a hardcover shade on it, but we can still use it on this truck because it is an extended cab. We're gonna go with the black suede on the inside. Check it out. I haven't done extended cab OBS in a while. I think the last time I done it was back when the Webastos were still around. But check out the headliner, it's pretty torn up. We're gonna go with the black suede. We're gonna go ahead and black that out. Black out anything, the handles, anything that has to do with the headliner. And I think they want these removed. They're pretty jacked up. So if anything, they want them removed, we might have to cut these off so that way we can paint these black, and this will hold the headliner. But we'll see how it goes. There she is. OBS. Let's get it. Old school Webasto with the hardcover shade, and I am gonna be wrapping this hardcover shade. And then this is missing, but I do have a lot of these little handles in stock. Check it out, Webasto. And I do have I gotta go get them there in the back. I do have the little air vents here. So this will go right in there once it's wrapped. Sorry I haven't been posted how I usually been post. Taking on these full-time paint jobs that I'm doing now is pretty much keeping me super busy throughout the week, even after work. I do have the bed of this truck that I'm working on in the back, getting body work done, getting tubs, doghouse. It's getting all ready for paint and bed liner once we get to that point. But I do need to buy a truck cover. I do have a truck cover for my truck, but I need to buy a truck cover for this single cab because I need to take the hood off and then take the doors. This is going to be a complete full paint job, and we're going to remove the windshield. We are keeping the tiny window back. We're just going to mask it off, but we're going to remove the front windshield, hood, front end, and the doors, so if it does rain I can cover it up while I'm doing my work. So that's where we're at, guys. We're going to jump onto this and then get this one out the way. Should be done here about 3-4 hours. We got the hole cut out, sunroof installed. It's not bolted down yet, but we're gonna do that right now. Like I said, we did have to cut the structure here, not too much because it still has a support there, but for the shade to slide back. All right, we're almost done with this one, and then we'll hit up the headliner.